In this video, I am going to show how to install Node.js on Windows operating system. So let's get started. At first, open your favorite web browser and browse this URL and then click on the download link. Now select the Node version from this drop-down list. I am going to download the latest LTS version for Windows operating system. So select Windows from this drop-down list. If you want to download Node.js with Docker and npm, then select the Node version, then operating system from this drop-down list, and then use this command. If you want to get a pre-built Node.js for Windows operating system running on 64-bit architecture, then click on this Windows installer button to download the Node.js Windows installer. Okay, it may take a while for downloading. After a successful download, navigate to Downloads folder and open this installer. Now click on Next. Then check this box to accept the terms in the license agreement. Then click on Next. Now choose the destination folder. This is the default destination location where the Node.js will be installed. If you want to change this folder, click on the change button and browse the folder where you want to install the Node.js. Then click on Next. Then click on Next. Then click on Next. Okay, the setup wizard is ready to begin installation. So click on Install button. If you get a message from user account control, do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? Select Yes to verify the publisher. It may take a while for installing Node.js on Windows operating system. That's it. Node.js installed successfully. Click on Finish and verify the installation. Open command prompt. And write this command node --version. If you see look like this, that means Node.js installed successfully on your system. If you want to open Node console, just write node on command prompt and hit enter. Now you can able to write JavaScript code here. To exit, press Ctrl+C again or Ctrl+D or type .exit. If you like this video, like, comment and share. Thank you so much for watching this video.